As you guys see, we're inside of our daily DIM platform. And so again, you're going to see this pop up all the time, and the people who you have enrolled in here will see it too. So again, make sure if you are interested, you got people join. I did get a report of a lot of people who were looking to join and your link wasn't in there. And so again, you may have people join. They're going to join back here and then press a button. So make sure you got your affiliate link and everything set up if you want to join. And just, you don't join on any person. The thing about our systems is we keep it all cool. You just press a button in your back office, and you don't have to ask anyone for a link. You can actually just press the button in your back office and it will go to the person that you should join. And this way you keep everything the same. So again, we want to make sure we got that all covered. And so I actually want to give you guys a sneak peek inside the group as well. I want to show you what's going on inside this group. And SDIM, I do definitely want to make sure, encourage you guys to continue to use a free traffic method and all the resources here. And the next training we do, we're going to get into diving into creating you guys a capture page, right? Most of you may not have a capture page, so we're going to go through on how to build a capture page, not just for DIM, which we have available already, the template, but I'll show you some cool things you can do. I'll even show you some amazing tools we have in our community. And if you're interested in being a Millionaires in Training, all you have to do basically is go back here in your back office and click to join it. So if you go to, let's see here, if you go down to your resources, or let me go to my products, go down to your products. And if you click on the AI Mastery course, if you're interested in joining our Millionaires in Training, you just click the button right here and you can automatically join. And then you'll get some of the extra tools that I will be sharing with you, because we do have additional tools that people pay separately for, but in this community, you get them all for free. And this community does pay an affiliate commission. So again, if you go back there under AI, you can join this community and access some of our tools. But let's show you what's going on inside of our traffic ignition group and all the people that are excited about joining and how this works, because again, it is part of your DIM. And again, you do have a choice to join, but I just want to make sure you know what's going on, see how things are happening inside the group, and then you can make a decision, based on where you're at and how things are going. So let me share this with you guys. And again, traffic ignition is currently inside of your DIM. All you gotta do is click the button to join and you're in there. So what is happening is people literally are getting paid from their matrix. And this is the only opportunity where if you buy traffic for this particular opportunity, they're going to guarantee a few sales. But also what's going on inside this group is some people are getting their first commission from a matrix. And so again, you have a lot of people that are just earning their money just from the matrix. And this group is growing pretty good. And as you join, if you decide to join this, you'll have access to the group. And so another thing I want to show you is that I did place a traffic order. So people say, well, how is the traffic? So let me show you here. My traffic is really starting to hit because I did do a traffic order. So let's pull this up here and I'll show you. And let me pull this up here. You have a new submission for your website. So I want to show you that I now have sales coming into this from traffic. So it all goes together. Let me see if I can find it here. HBA. So I want to show you that the traffic is getting me leads. And so this is literally when I started here. So the leads coming up from here on up are the leads that I'm getting from traffic. And so far it's resulted in the sales. So I'm getting people looking at my website from the traffic that I bought because I plugged my link in here. And so one thing about traffic ignition is that if you're not getting results from your free methods, or maybe you need some traffic now, when you join traffic ignition, you buy traffic for whatever offer you want. I am buying traffic for daily income method. And so far in daily income method, since I bought traffic, my traffic started on the 18th. And so far, without doing anything, I have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leads, and I've gotten 1 sale so far. And I didn't put anything else. I literally, if you guys didn't know, I have been in the hospital and in rehab, not being able to do anything. And I couldn't make videos. couldn't advertise. I was kind of chilling because I couldn't have stress. And I literally just bought traffic from Traffic Ignition. And I'm able now to advertise my business without doing anything. Not to mention that when I joined, I already had $100 made from the Matrix. So again, the Matrix is definitely paying out. As you see, people are just getting money from the Matrix. And again, I am too. I have no idea where these sales are coming from, if I'm being honest with you. They're just they're just happening, which is so weird. So it's just weird because people are just going to join and the Matrix just starts paying out. So I saw something here where I got something here. There we go. So I don't know. I have no idea where this came from. I don't know. Have no idea. But if I go log in, let me log in really quick. I'll show you where I'm at. And again, I'm really telling you this because it's back here. It's the first thing that people see when they log in. And so if someone joins, I just don't want you guys to miss any money. And last week, I kind of gave you a lesson on how to get free traffic off, online or offline. I'm sorry. So this week, I'm kind of showing you a little bit more of Traffic Ignition, what's going on. Because some people, you might be wondering, is it even worth it? Are people getting paid? Are people getting traffic? Is traffic working? Do I need it? It's something worth doing? My first opinion, I think, yes, it definitely is. It's definitely worth doing because, we have a group of people already in here, but I'll just scroll down and show you what's happening. Keep in mind, I haven't done really anything. I haven't really advertised this or much, but some of my people who are in here are getting spillover as well too. And so I want to show you something. Let me just show you something that happened. And I want to show you how people are literally just signed up for this thing and how you literally can almost get some really good, easy money. So let me share my screen here. So I don't need to show anyone's names. So literally, so I got my residual income literally is like $192 a month. I have not really done anything yet, folks, because I'm still kind of recovering. I've just been training you guys for 30 minutes a day, but I haven't gotten advertised. You look at my Facebook page, it's basically a ghost town because I have not had a chance to go on it, right? The only time I'm working anything is I'm just training. That's it. I will be returning back to doing my promotions and working once I go through all of my procedures and everything. FYI, if you're wondering, I am blessed. I'm doing great. But again, I still have some procedures to go through just to ensure that everything is okay with my heart and my blood flow. So as I'm doing stuff like this, I'm in this thing getting traffic and I'm able to utilize it to make money. And basically when you start, if you're interested in starting this, let me just kind of show you this here. I'll show you the steps. Is really easy, really quick to do. So let me show you how, if you want to get started, number one, you go into your back office in DIM and you just click the button. And when you click the button, you'll be able to sign up. And again, there are some really heavy hitters. So you can earn money. And again, spillover is not guaranteed, but it is happening. But you literally can earn money just by being in the Matrix. I'll show you how to qualify. So the first thing you want to do with Traffic Ignition is, again, number one, you do want to sign up. And again, it's only $49. You pay the $40, so you get you get paid off of anyone that comes in the Matrix, and that's pretty much it. And then if you want to do a traffic order, I did the beginner for $150, so I got 150 clicks, and it's going to take 30 days. And so again, I got that going to my DIM. If you want to advertise Traffic Ignition, which I think is a great thing, you can back clicks towards it. They already have traffic. They already have capture pages here. I think Mac has made a few. So you don't have to make anything. The pages are already made. Mac has already made all of them, and you don't have to make anything. So again, just to show you what these pages look like, they're already done. They're pretty much already made. You have all of them available for you. And Mac has made these pages. You got a VSL as well too. So all of your pages are pretty much done. This is pretty much made. So you have a built-in business in a box. And so you just share your link literally, and you just advertise. And you can, if you don't feel like advertising, or you say, man, I suck at advertising, well, go back here and I didn't mean to do that here. Okay, log me out. Don't know why. But you can go back here and let me log back in if you don't mind. So the good thing about this is that if you have more money than time, that works in your favor. And so I'm just kind of stressing this because people are upgrading that are in DIM little by little because they just need traffic to their offer, or they just want an additional offer and they know it coincides with this. And so again, don't ask to join anyone and if you're in this group, the link is already in your back office. You just click a button and you join, and you'll be joined under whoever brought you into the group. And again, you will be able to get traffic to wherever you want. And so let me go here and log in. I'm going to log in to Traffic Authority as well too. Make sure I got my correct login for that here. Bear with me 1 second. Perfect. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm just getting everything logged in here. And let me see if I can find my traffic orders. And basically all this is tied to Traffic Authority. So again, I'm just trying to find out where I have my traffic part at here. I'm still new to it. So let me log back in here to Traffic Authority. And, but yeah, so not Traffic Authority, Traffic Ignition. So again, I will definitely be advertising this as well. And Mac has made pages for it. So again, if you're interested in doing that, you can go right back here and then you can go into your new income stream and you can go log in and follow your sponsor directly and you can get a part of it. And if your sponsor doesn't have it, call them, say, hey man, make sure you get this. And this is what's happening. We just want to remind you that before you do this, make sure you reach out to the person who brought you in here and make sure they're set up. So this way, if you do upgrade, you know, they can benefit from it because you follow, we want to stay in a follow me system. And I think this is the way all business should be done. If you are in a system and it's congruent with another system, it should just be an easy process to sign up. And it really is with this. And so let me look at the Facebook group and let me see if I have any questions and maybe I'll answer those and get you guys in the right direction. So give me 1 second. Let me see if I have any questions here in the group. What's up, Troy? How you doing, boss? I see you in there. Thank you for commenting. And so any questions from anyone? Let me know if anyone has any questions. And yeah, the traffic is really, really good. So it's a really, really good tool, I think. And then I think it's still brand new. So as it comes out there, you know, I'll be probably getting back into social media and showing all this stuff off. And so before I do that and before I kind of, you know, do what I do, I just want to make sure you guys understand everything in here and just show you what's going on in the group. And I'll show you a little bit more so you can see what is happening. So inside the group, people are getting sales because it is a group of people getting sales. So the matrix just pays out wherever you're at. And so again, this person is getting a $5 monthly, another $5 monthly. And again, as you see, another $5 monthly from another person. And everyone's just showing their $40, $5 that they're getting. And so, I mean, it's fun when everyone is making money. So that's what's happening is people are here, they're happy, they're earning their money. And it looks like everyone who is participating in there is just earning their money. And so this is really cool to see. So it's cool to see an entire community that's just in this thing and people are just earning really good money. This person earned $600 so far. So again, as you promote this, and as you use this for traffic, it's just a way that you can't lose. And for people who are struggling to get social media views, because YouTube right now is making it hard for people to get views. So again, because people are struggling with social media because it's so convoluted, sometimes people just want to pay a professional to get traffic, to get leads so they can actually do business. And this is why traffic ignition, I think, is such an important factor, because even with all the stuff that we do with this in the area, yes, you will get some traffic, but it takes time to warm it up. But again, while you're warming your traffic up, you can be getting traffic right now with this. And so you can have your free traffic plus your paid traffic, and you always have views on your offer. So that's what I love about this whole entire thing. All right, so folks, I don't see any questions here. And next training, we're going to show you literally the funnel we have set up for traffic ignition. I'm going to go over everything you need to do to set your funnel up so that you can receive traffic properly, and so that so when traffic comes in, you can make sure your emails are going out. So we'll do that for next time. But thank you everyone for tuning in. Appreciate you. Make sure you click on your back office, get traffic ignition if you need it. And we're going to be training on how to make sure your websites are traffic ready so you can receive traffic, and we'll show you how you can use a tool to either work your traffic or call your traffic if you want to. We have all that ready for you guys, and then we'll show you an email tool next week that you can get inside of one of our groups, and it's absolutely going to make a difference. So you'll be able to have emails that you can come up with that are just absolutely amazing. So what I'll do is I'll see you guys next week. Take care of yourselves. Love you guys, and I appreciate your time. And we'll be here for next week's training, and it's going to be a really good one.